Morning.
Morning.
It's our last day in Iceland. And we have all these piglets here. Hi, piglets.
Hi. Hi.
What are you doing?
We're graduating, so we're doing like challenges and having fun.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey.
Anyway, so what is? Oh yeah, what is it? It's day 10. Day 10.
Video guys! May we do a challenge with you?
Of course.
Okay, so okay.
You'll be in a video on YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah, perfectly.
Okay.
Can I touch your nose?
Yes.
Can I touch your shoulder?
Yes.
And can I touch your elbow?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a great day.
But that costs €10, of course. No. Anyway, day 10. It's the last day. It's the last full day. Are we sad that it ends? I don't actually feel sad because I'm super happy to go home to Nala tomorrow.
Yeah.
We fly early
The main
tomorrow.
reason is that I really want to see Nala.
I want to see Nala, but I also feel
It makes it easy to go
like
home.
we had such an amazing trip. Well, you've seen all the videos. It was perfect.
Yeah.
So I don't feel sad about leaving because this was so perfect as it was that I don't need more time.
We actually have 2 highlights left. We are now on our way to see Puffins for the first time.
Yes.
Going to a remote island like just off Reykjavik. And we are still going to the Blue Lagoon.
Yes.
Which is one of the highlights of Iceland as well.
It is
We are only
iconic.
doing it at the end.
We are doing it at the end. It is a tourist trap because I've been there once 10 years ago, but it is a tourist trap, but it is iconic. So you need to at least be there once in your lifetime, right, Tim? And this is your chance. We just came off the boat, the Puffin tour.
Yeah. It was really cold, but yeah, it was dry, so...
And it was really cute. It was hard.
Really nice.
The footage that you'll see is a bit far away, and my lens is not doing as well. There's a smudge on it because there was water inside, so I couldn't zoom in as much as I wanted to. So the footage you'll get to see is not that good.
It was really nice. Like, it was only it's an hour, but it flies by like nothing. It was a really nice group of people, and the captain was really nice, and the lady that explained everything, she knew a lot about the puffins, which was interesting.
But it was cute to see them flying around all over you, because like over your
they
head.
flap a lot, like
they have to flap 400 times per minute, otherwise they can't fly. It's crazy. They are such cute and fun animals. We couldn't get like super close because then they'll fly away, which is normal, and they have their nests and everything. But it was really cute. They flew like over your head and right in front of you. And
I also learned something interesting about their nest, because they actually like kind of dig a hole like 1 meter, and they have like 2 chambers, like one for the egg and one as a toilet.
I would want to have a separate toilet myself if I was a puffin. So I totally get that.
And they always stay together.
Yeah,
with their
they
mates.
made for lives.
Yeah.
Ah, that's cute. That's like a romantic thing for our honeymoon, right?
Yeah.
And now I want to get to a toilet and I want to get some food.
Yes, let's go.
Welcome to Cafe Loki. You should definitely come along and try our fermented shark with a shot of Brennivin.
So if you're in Reykjavik and you want to have traditional Icelandic food, because yesterday we had the dumplings, which was amazing, but today we want a traditional lunch, then go to Loki Cafe. It's just across the street from the Hallgrímskirkja, the main church. Look at this plate. I have the Loki plate with the fish and the rye bread. And I'm gonna try shark, fermented shark. If you've been following us, you know that I don't like fish that much, but I'm gonna give it a go. And I have to drink a shot of Brennivin, which is Icelandic vodka, right after it. But I have to chew this 7 times, that's tradition. Okay, and the waiter already said that it might leave a little bit of a weird aftertaste, so that I should start with the shark, so that makes me a bit more scared to try this. But here it goes now. Oh no. It has a really, almost like ammoniac. I don't know how to describe it. If you know the word ammoniac, I think that's an English name, right? It tastes like a little bit like ammoniac. The aftertaste of it. I'm more flabbergasted by the shot than by the shark. So I have a piece of shark here. I already tasted it.
I refuse.
Tim doesn't want to.
No.
I say go Tim. But try it. You have to try it.
It smells horrible.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even smell it. That was a good thing that I didn't smell it. It smells like ammoniac, and it tasted like that as well. Tim, you have a full platter of nice food. You can just try
and
it.
I will stick to it. Bye.
We left Reykjavik, we had lunch with Tim's ex-colleague, which was really nice. And on our way to the Blue Lagoon, we decided to make a stop at the volcano that recently erupted, because we heard from other people that the lava flow that has just been hardening and toughening up is still visible and very impressive to see, because you can still see the black lava that is still cooling down, because the lady at the lava show told us that lava can take a long time, like decades even, to fully harden and fully cool down. So we decided to make a quick stop here and just check it out. Yes? No. I'm so happy that we made this stop. It is easily one of the most impressive things we've seen this holiday.
It only erupted a few months ago, and you can see like everywhere it's like smoke coming out of it still, because there's really like still super hot lava under.
And back there you can see where it flew, where it like drizzled off the mountain. You can see where it crawled up the land here. It is still cooling down. It is so
really
impressive.
It really looks like a glacier coming down the mountain, but then in black.
It is. You can really see the force of nature here, and it is difficult to explain this in words when you're not here. But yeah, I'm super happy that we made this stop. I wouldn't have wanted to miss this. It is super impressive. Tim is nagging. Tim says, I just tell them what you said.
I don't like people.
You don't like people, you don't want to swim.
Like, oh yeah, that's really special. I've never seen this color in water, but now I've actually seen it without going inside and paying 10,000 euros.
It's not 10,000 euros. But look, it's really special with the whiteness and everything. Entering was super expensive, I have to say. Like 70 euros or even a little bit more, I think, like 75 or something, maybe 80 euros per person, which is a little bit ridiculous, I have to say. It is a unique place, it's a once in a lifetime experience, but that amount of money, I don't know. But at least we'll enjoy it. And we get a free drink at the water bar. That is awesome. To our honeymoon. Cheers. We're having an apple cider here because one drink is included in the 70 euros per person. So that's, but it's nice. so much younger already.
That actually feels a little like that's drying up and that it's actually pulling together vessels. Really drying up. I think the white is only supposed to stay on there for 10 minutes. The other one, the black one or the green is longer, I think, 20 minutes.
But that was not included in our price, and you had to take the premium package.
You can take 3 face masks.
Now you have 3 face masks.
This is the end.
The end?
But it's quite a highlight also.
It is the end. Well, highlight price-wise.
Yeah, that as well. But also, it's less people than I thought in the beginning.
It is. It spreads out because it's rather big, so that's nice.
Yeah, I just saw the parking lot and it's like, oh my god, there's so many cars. But it's actually okay.
But the location, the color of the water, the vibe, it is.
Yeah, the color of the water is very special. I've never seen anything.
Yeah.
It's really milky.
But it is also the end of our honeymoon. Because like after this, we just go to the hotel, have some food, sleep, and tomorrow it's an early day and we fly back to Nala. I missed her a lot. Definitely, I can't express that in words. But yes, I'm having a cuddle with her the entire night because we'll arrive home at the beginning of the night or end of the afternoon. So I'll be cuddling with her on the sofa the entire night. Right? But did you like our honeymoon, Tim?
Yes, it was perfect.
It was perfect, wasn't it?
Yes.
It really was such an amazing trip. Honestly, so many highlights. I can't even begin to count them.
And it started immediately, and it just went on and on.
Yeah, it really was.
So
amazing.
if you've never been to Iceland, you must go here. It's a must do.
Definitely.
If you have the opportunity, if you have the free time, if you have the money, you must come to Iceland.
Yeah.
There's no other place like Iceland.
It is mind-blowingly beautiful. It really does something to you, and well, you've seen our vlogs. I want to say
again. Earlier in this video, like a few minutes ago, it was hailing.
Yeah, that's Iceland as well.
Yeah,
That's
it's
Iceland
again.
Thank you so much for watching all our episodes, but definitely check out our food video, our highlight video, and all those as well. And we'll see you from a new destination because this adventure is over, and we'll be coming from a new destination next here on STUFR. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
I didn't want you to wet my camera.
I didn't want to touch it.
But it looks like. Oh, maybe we should end with our wedding rings towards the camera. That is romantic because it's our honeymoon.